Welcome back, everybody, to FAS Outdoors YouTube page. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and please like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Want to take the time, we're in the range today, so if you guys haven't checked out our shop, we're in Centerville, Ohio. Stop by, see us. When all this is over, I want to get everybody together and have a big shoot in here, have the Corona Classic, if you will. The celebration of us being out of quarantine. So, like and subscribe to our channel, but today I want to talk about something, 3D archery, shooting foam. I want to go over some classes, organizations, setups, and I want to give you guys the rundown, and I want to ask a lot of you, why have you not tried it yet? All right, I want to go over our first setup. It's an open setup. So this is mine. This is my 3D bow for this year. I am shooting the PSE EVO NXT 35. And I picked this bow because I like 35-inch axle to axle for 3D. I get a lot of good speed out of this bow, and the brace height, which is the distance here, is really good on this bow. So on my setup, this is again classified as an open. I am running B3's new sight bar and their new non-vented scope. Huge fan of this setup. It works really well. For those not familiar, one of the biggest differences on open and hunter setups is going to be this sight tape here. So if I can get that to focus, on this sight tape, you're literally, so say you need 43 yards, you dial this pin in to 43 yards right on the nose. So that is one of the biggest differences, focus, with an open setup. The other difference is stabilizer length. So there's a 30-inch bar and a 12-inch rear bar here. And that allows us to stabilize the shot a little better, and I am running bee stinger front and rear bars. So that's another big difference in between open and a hunter class setup or a fixed pin. I am running a Pro Blade AAE rest with the I'm running the specialty. If it'll zoom in, there we go, specialty peep housing with a clarifier, because another thing is in the open class you can run a lens. So I am running a lens with a blue fiber, and I'm running a CBE lens with an LP archery light. So that is a quick rundown of coarse rogue bowstrings. That is a quick rundown of an open setup. Now, a hunter setup or fixed pins. This is Bear's new bow, and it is set up in a fixed pin manner. So 3 pins. This is running an Excel sight. This is a really nice sight with a Z-Rose lens. Fantastic setup. Hunting arrows. You can still see a broadhead poking through there. Hamskea limb-driven drop away on this. This is your traditional hunting rig. This is, in fact, a hunting bow. This is Kyle's deer bow. And so with this bow, you can take this setup 100% like it is and go shoot 3D. Fixed pins, short stabilizers. The stabilizers are all for it. He was running a bee stinger 10-inch front and a bee stinger 6-inch rear. But you can take this bow 100% the way it sits and go shoot 3D and have a blast with it. You do not have to have an open setup like that. This bow, there are classes meant for the guys that want to take their hunting rigs and go. So a bow set up just like this one is able to go right into the woods and no issues shooting 3D. All right, so some of the classes that you are allowed to shoot in 3D. Let's go with ASA. That's our favorite association because it offers a class for everyone. And the Ohio, for those local, ASA, they have a northern and a southern belt, and they are phenomenal shoots at some amazing clubs. So we'll start with an open setup. If you have an open setup target, you probably know a little more about 3D, but you have the ability to shoot. And when I say known 40, that is what I mean by that, that's max distance. So max distance is 40 yards. So in the known 40, it's exactly what it sounds. Known distance, rangefinders are allowed. Step up, range the target 32 yards, dial that sight to 32. You know exactly what it is. So there's a known 40, a known 45, and a known 50. So them are the three main known classes. The known 40 is really reserved for first year people shooting open setups. So anyone transferring from a hunting setup, fixed pins, over into the open setup. That's what the known 40 is, stay in there for a couple years, and then move up to the known 45 class. There's also open A, open B, open C. Now open A, B, and C are unknown. 40 is C, 45 is B, and 50 is A. So that gives you max distance of either 40, 45, or 50 yards unknown. So judging. So for the guys that want to judge, there's your classes. There's 3 of them. There's also a semi-pro class, and then there's a known pro 50 class. I think they shoot Sundays now in the state. So that's kind of the main classes for your open. There is in the ASA, there is an outlaw class. Now, the outlaw class is made for all you IBO guys. No speed limits. So, it is run what you brung, unknown, judging, out to 45 yards. And that class is meant for the guys that bring their IBO rigs over to the ASA and shoot them and have fun. Now, the hunting setups. So, fixed pins. There's some rules on stabilizers. They can only be so long off the front. The rear, they actually don't have, the way the rule reads now is they don't have an actual length limit. So, hunting classes. The first one, bow novice. So, for everyone that currently hunts with a compound bow and does not or has never shot an outdoor 3D course, one, why not? They are so much fun. You get a group of 4 or 5 of your buddies. You're in the woods. You're walking around. These beautiful spring days. It's just a lot of fun and another great excuse to get out of the house and get into the woods. So the class for the guys that are new and taking their hunting rigs, pulling right out of their hunting cases and heading right to the 3D woods. Bow novice is where you want to start. Bow novice is an excellent class. So much fun. It is max distance of 30 yards and it is known. So you get to use a rangefinder, no worries about losing your arrows or anything like that, and it's only max distance of 30 yards. Then they have a hunter class, if you want to step up, and that's max distance of 40 yards. So there's trad classes, there's all kinds of classes there's youth classes for you guys. So dads or mothers that have kids that shoot. The way the state ASA is set up, you can literally shoot together. Even though you're shooting different classes and different ranges and different lengths, the way they set it up, you can go shoot them with your kids. And it's so much fun, and the state in Ohio does such an amazing job at it. So we question you, why have you not done it for the people that haven't? If you have any questions, come see us, shoot us a comment. More than happy to help you guys. Help you with your setups a little bit, help you if you want to change something, familiarize yourself with the classes so you know what class to get into, anything like that. Please, seriously, we really enjoy helping people get into the 3D world. So don't hesitate, leave a comment below. I really hope this video helped some of you, and what I really hope it does is I really, really hope it gets some of you hunters to, especially right now, what else are we doing? Nothing. Get your bows out. It's spring. I think it was 80 degrees yesterday. It was absolutely gorgeous. Get your bows out and shoot them. and take them. Yes, right now the 3D shoots are postponed, but they will kick back up. And there's like I said, the Ohio does such a good job. There's shoots in Springfield, Ohio. There's shoots in Wilmington. There's shoots in Jackson. There's shoots in Chillicothe. And then for the northern people, there's a whole nother realm of shoots all around the northern part of Ohio. So, like I said, questions, please reach out. Hope you guys can get into the woods. And we encourage you to try 3D. If nothing else happens, if you don't do anything else, we shoot 3D in here on Friday nights. And we crank the music and have a blast doing it. Stop in and shoot here. Get your feet wet here and then head to the woods. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. The support has been really, really cool to see. Having guys walk in the shops, man, watch your YouTube videos is really cool. So I appreciate it. I hope you guys are liking these. If you have any wants, needs, changes, please just let us know. We got time right now. We'll make you some videos. So thank you guys so much. Subscribe, and we'll see you next time.